Sa Chinatown kayo, Singapore Chinatown guys, try to visit this place also. Free naman siya, wala kayong babayaran here. Observe lang natin yung rules nila dito sa temple. Alam guys, pero tinatouch nila yung belly, yung chan ni Buddha. Siguro sign of luck, I guess. Like,
Actually, I don't know. I know she's a teacher.
there, this $4. And then if you wanted to add it another meal, this will also cost minimum of $4. This one, sausage siya, traditional sausage roasted, traditional roasted sausage rice, like $4 din. So, mga ganun yung mga price dito. Pero, yung wonton naman okay din naman, medyo matabang lang, parang matabang yata talaga din sa nila. Okay naman. Yan yung The Beat Hostel. Mura din dyan guys, pero ayun, check nyo na lang din yung mga service nila kung paano. There, The Beat. Kita nyo ba? Yan. I think ito na yung dito lang pala. Alright. Ito marami hotel and restaurant dito. Meron ditong the South Bridge. There. I think ito na yung sa oh my God. That. There. So may mga food na rin dito na mabibilhan pero medyo pricey lang ng slight. And that's why naririnig nyo ba? Look. Ito na ba yung Little India? Paper faces. Okay. Ayan, here guys, sa Pagoda Street. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung Pagoda Street. Akala ko malaki siya. Kailangan yata tatanggalin mo yung shoes mo pag pupunta ka doon. Ano siya? Nice. Dito guys, makikita niyo yung mga proper attire. So, yung proper attire, ganyan. So, you need to left your shoes here. Yeah, no shoes beyond this point. Oh, no shoe must be placed on the shoe rack. So all shoes must be in the shoe rack. May shoe rack wala sila. It says here that Shivariman Temple is the oldest Hindu temple in Singapore since its constructions in 1827. You need to remove your shoes. And then, guys, may dress code here. Here. Nice. And then there's a goat. And then yeah. There. Ngayon lang ako nakapasok sa temple ng India. Ang ganda. And you can still, you know, feel yung sacred course. And then this one. Meron silang pag ganito. Yeah. Here. There. So, parang may inaayos ngayon. Siguro may event later kaya napaganda nila yung area. I'm not sure. So, yan. Laman. Like this. This area, hindi na tayo pwedeng pumasok. And then, there. You need to wear yung proper clothes nila dito para ma-cover yung knees tsaka yung shoulder niya. And of course, barefoot. What's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, naandito tayo sa
Sri Mariamman Temple, Singapore.
So it is an oldest Indian temple here in Singapore. Ito yung nasa loob niya guys. Nasa loob na ako. Here. So yeah. Here, you can still feel the sacred ng place. Ayan, lower lang yung voice natin guys kasi syempre may other visitors din here. Ito yung I'm not sure kung para saan to pero ganda. Ito yan. So basically dito guys ang makikita nyo dito sa loob ng temple. May mga ganito mga chain. So, behind this yellow chain, hindi na tayo pwedeng pumasok. So, kapag nasa Chinatown kayo, Singapore's Chinatown, guys, try to visit this place also. Free naman siya. Wala kayong babayaran here. Observe lang natin yung rules nila dito sa temple. Ayan. Medyo mainit lang, guys, sa paa kasi nga pumunta ako ngayon ng, I think, 12. Kasi magla-lunch dapat ako and then napadaan ako dito. Yan. Medyo malaki din guys yung place and then may toilet din here. Toilet. Nagreklamo na. Ang init. Dito kayo tumapak sa carpet kasi super init. And then that one. May mga dove din dito, guys. So, ito. Ganyan. And then there is. Pero, hindi ko alam. Pero, yan. Look. Like, I think elephant. I don't know. And then, meron maingay na bird. Ayan.
Basically guys, ganito yung makikita ninyo sa loob ng temple. Napaka-colorful ng temple na ito and nag-enjoy talaga ako sa short visit ko. Sayang nga lang kasi wala rin akong kasama, then mag-isa lang ako magpunta dito. I hope lang pag nagpunta po kayo, please wear yung proper attire nila. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. And I see you guys on my next video. Bye!